In Huntsville, Alabama has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Madison County in north-central Alabama until 12:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:54 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Huntsville International Airport, or near Madison, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near northwestern Huntsville, Madison, Redstone Arsenal, and Marshall Space Flight Center around noon Central Daylight Time. University of Alabama in Huntsville around 12:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time.